What is up, y'all? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You already know, man. My name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. If you guys haven't already, man, make sure you guys check out IamHustlersMindset.com. Check out my phone flipping courses. Check out my flipping electronics courses on MERCARI. I have one coming for eBay as well. I do live seminars every single Saturday. Again, every single Saturday in the morning at 8:45. So make sure you guys tune in this week. Right now, we are doing a phone flipping priceless seminar this Saturday, 8:45 a.m. Make sure you're there, okay? I will be live here on YouTube. I'll be live on Twitch as well. My Twitch is Educatedhustler as well. So I cannot wait to see you guys. And if you guys don't know, the title is below. We are talking about why I do not flip Androids. A lot of people have been asking me, and I just want to bring you guys the honest truth. Why you guys don't really see a lot of people flipping Androids, and you know, what are the benefits of flipping iPhones? I have a storefront. My storefront is in Frankfurt, in Philadelphia. Frankfurt is not a great area. It is a lucrative area when it comes to transportation. So that is one of the reasons why I wanted to be there, because all public transportation can actually get there, right? So when it comes to flipping phones, I have a luxury that maybe some other people do not. I can't say maybe, I know other people don't have this luxury. And that is having the luxury of actually being able to meet with people in a solid foundation to where they can actually feel safe. And I do take pride in that. Now, I have a lot of people with the demographic that is around my store that come in with a whole bunch of different Androids, like Nord 200s, A13s, AOEs, they're even free phones, okay? We're talking LGs. I'm talking just the basic of the basic Androids, okay? Even Androids I don't even know the name of because I'm trying to think. I'm talking flip phones. They even come in there with microphones, okay? They come in there with anything they can sell. But when it comes to Androids, the reason why I do not like to flip Androids is because Androids do not, I repeat, do not have the value that iPhones do. They also are really easy for people to obtain, and a lot of companies always are giving away free Samsungs, free LGs, free Motorola's. These devices are always being given away for free, which equals me not being able to do much with them. Now, let me say, the one reason why I would buy an Android is if I just need more phone stock, and that would of course, you know, warrant me to buying Androids. Now, the best Androids I think that I've gotten and made a good profit off of would be like Samsung A51s, I believe, the newer generation, or I think it's 813E. It's one of these newer 5G devices that actually just came out about 3 months ago. I got 4 of them and I paid around $75 for all 4, and I sold each one for $150. My main sales channel to get these sales was on OfferUp, and it took about, I'd say, 3 weeks for me to dish out 4 of these devices. A lot of people, when they're coming to me, they're always looking for iPhones. When it comes to buyers, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek into like the struggle when it comes to buying Android. So I have a price list right here, okay? Now, this price list, I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is one of the best Androids in my opinion out in the market. I'm sure someone's gonna have some type of dispute with that, but again, this is one of the best devices out. This device costs about the one that I have in my hand costs about $1,300. And if I was to sell this with grade A, which this is definitely grade A, no cracks, no scratches, anything, I'm only getting $180. So I'm only getting, and this doesn't include any price cut, doesn't include my normal $80 price cut, $50 price cut. That's literally how much they would give me. It's $180 for a $1,300 phone. Now, I want to show y'all a little thing, because you guys know if I'm bringing up a point, a negative, I want to bring up a positive. So first, the negative is, what the hell am I going to do with $180? Why would I ever sell this device to a buyer for that low? Why is a buyer giving me that low for this device? The reason the buyer is giving me this low price is because Androids are extremely difficult to unlock. And also, Androids they don't have a demand. They don't really have a high demand. You know, if you have an iPhone, you know you can dish this out to a whole bunch of consumers. But if you have an Android, especially an S22 Ultra, a lot of people may want this phone in the US. A lot of people may want this phone in general. But some people, and I would say the majority of people, would have particular requests for their next device. And maybe they don't want a pen with the device. Maybe they don't want a device that's so big. It's just so many different things that people just nitpick with Androids, and it doesn't become beneficial. So it's just not worth me buying. Now, if I was going to buy this off of an individual, if I was going to buy this phone, I can tell you right now, an individual is going to want, you know, y'all know I got a good mouthpiece. You feel me? You know I know how to talk. So at the end of the day, I can get somebody down to about 600, 500. But if I pay 500, 600, I'm not making no money just getting 180. But let me tell you guys how you can sell Androids. The best way to sell Androids, the most fastest, convenient way to sell Androids is going to be OfferUp. Now, I know. A lot of people, they do not mess with OfferUp. A lot of people, they think they're too good for OfferUp. OfferUp is in some people's eyes looked as the peasant website or the peasant app. I don't know why, but OfferUp, you put up an Android on that thing is going. It's an icy dunny bun. The reason why is because a lot of Android users are using OfferUp. A lot of iPhone users are using Facebook. A lot of iPhone users think they too good. I ain't gonna lie. But I've got a huge amount of success selling Androids on OfferUp. So that is what I would do. If I brought this phone for $500, I would list this for $750 on OfferUp. And once I list it on OfferUp, I know for a fact that I don't, and I'm not going to get $750, but I know for a fact I'm more in that $700 to $650 range. So I'm going to try and get as much as possible. I'm not going to be in a rush to sell it, because if I'm in a rush, I'll take an offer that I know for a fact I can get higher. So I'll just sit there and take my time. I know for a fact that people are going to want it. It may take a couple weeks, but if it takes a couple weeks for me to get a top tier offer, I'm willing to wait. You know, I'm willing to get that. So Androids, it's not like they're not good, okay? If you get Androids that are sealed in a box, still nothing that you want to sell to a buyer, but it's definitely something you can sell on Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, excuse me, eBay, all of those, because it's something that people want. It's just all about understanding that when it comes to flipping phones, Androids are going to be way more difficult than iPhones. It don't matter if it's open, crack, iCloud lock, passcode lock, whatever. People are going to buy it because it's some easy software, some easy way for you to be able to get it unlocked, use it, bada boom, bada bang. But I don't know, because the 14s are changing that. As you guys know, no SIM card tray. That's sort of kind of in the way. Apple's trying to be more on this Android wave when it comes to the value price, because they don't like people going around and floating around and just being able to get any phone. But you guys catch the drift. So guys, that is my time. I thank you guys so much, so much for watching, so much for supporting. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. I will talk to you later. Again, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Peace.